guys, I'm back with another video. I have the great pleasure of doing my Sissypoo's hair today. So she is getting a crochet, and I have the pleasure of working with Toyotress, and I will have the link in the description box below. I really like this hair. It's pretty dope. My sister ain't crazy. But yeah, I really like. I only end up using about not even a half, but 4 1/4 pack. It's pretty dope that they have a good amount of pre-loop strands for each bundle, because you know some brands, I'm not gonna name the names, but they'll give you like about 4 or 5 strands per bundle, so you end up getting about 7, 8 to 9 or 10 packs, and that's unnecessary. So it's pretty cool that they have a good amount per bundle. So I decided to use this braid pattern. I plaited the front and did the regular braid back in the back, so it'll have the illusion, and also on the perimeter on the sides I did plaits too, so she can have the illusion of it being individuals. Also, one thing that I like to do with my crochet, I like to space them out, and it's pretty dope that the plaits, when you do the plaits in the front and on the perimeter, it's forcing that space that you need, because at the front it's like crucial. A stylist or whoever installs, the crochet, is kind of tough at the front because you want to put enough to hide the braid, but you don't want to put too much to make it a little bulky. So it's pretty dope that the plaits give you that space you need. And in the back, I make sure I'm not putting too much, so I'm kind of eyeballing it as I go, because like I said, you don't want it to look bulky, because then that takes away from the natural look. And another tip that I can give you guys: when you crochet downward to whichever direction that you're on. Like say for instance, as you see that I'm on, as I'm looking at the screen, we're on the right side, so I'm going downward. Instead of going upward, you go downward, so the crochet can lay flat, so the loop can lay flat, because if you go in the opposite direction, it'll have a hump in it. So unless you want to do the hump or to get fullness or something, you can do it, but a good way to make your crochet lay flat is to crochet downward. So usually for me, I've done crochet so many times, y'all. I've done pre-loop crochets to where if I were to do this style in live time, I can probably do it in about 25 to 30 minutes just to install and braid. Like, I knock it out there fast, because you have to have a game plan. It's not about speed, it's about a game plan, knowing where you're going and knowing what areas you want to attack. Is like, yeah, that's how you see stylists that kind of have a speed or kind of do things fast. Trust me, they already have a game plan, of a blueprint of how they gonna handle it. So yeah, that's kind of a little tip for you stylists that's trying to work on your speed